spend about 90% of our time indoors, and the air we breathe in here is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoors. Imagine all the chemicals, dust, and toxic gases trapped in a room with nowhere to go. And the worst part is, we do nothing about it simply because we don't know. Yoo-Hoo is a smart indoor air quality sensor that detects and alerts you of allergens and toxins in the air you breathe. Think of the places you and your loved ones spend the most time in. Do you know the quality of the air in your office at work? In your hotel room when you travel? How about in your own living room or your child's bedroom? These are important because VOCs are found in paint and household cleaning products. Dust can accumulate unseen in fabric around us, and humidity encourages the growth of bacteria and mold. All these cause respiratory problems, skin irritations, and overall poor health in the long run. Yoo-Hoo lets you know when something's not right and what you can do. The simplest and easiest things to do make the biggest difference. Cut down on chemical cleaners, wash your child's favorite toys, air out your living areas, and check on possible gas leaks. Don't leave it to chance or guesswork. Yoo-Hoo keeps track of the air you breathe round the clock so that you and your loved ones get to live, work, and play in the best and safest possible environment. It is the most comprehensive indoor air quality detector on the market today with 8 dedicated sensors that detect volatile organic compounds, dust, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ozone, air pressure, temperature, and humidity.
Hi, I'm Dustin, co-founder of Yoo-Hoo. And there's a very simple reason why we created Yoo-Hoo, because there's a real need for it. The air we breathe affects all of us. Why do we spend so much energy and money on nutrients and supplements and yet ignore the air that we breathe? We spoke to numerous professionals who are otherwise healthy but always fatigued. We heard from asthma sufferers who have persistent symptoms and travelers who fall ill because the air quality in their hotel room.
Hello, my name is David and I'm the CEO of 3D Simo. Here's our new product, the 3D Simo Mini. It all started in 2013 with our first product, the original 3D Simo. It's the very first multi-material 3D pen in the world. You can set the speed, temperature, and also choose from the default material profiles. You can draw with a variety of materials, including flex, fluorescence, laywood, transparent, thermochrome, and decomposable materials, and so on. But that wasn't enough for us. We've created a tool that would allow you to create anything you wish. The 3D Simo Mini is a smaller and smarter version of the original 3D Simo. It can also solder, burn and cut things, and you can operate it manually or through your smartphone. So don't be limited by materials, take full advantage of 3D drawing. Draw, fix and create new things. Each extension is equipped with an automatic detector, so you only need to insert and start to create. With the soldering nozzle, you can fix or create any electrical component. The tip can reach a maximum temperature of 490 degrees. Are you a creative person who likes original items? Using the extension for burning, you can decorate, for example, wooden spoons, a belt, wallet, or your leather shoes. At the same time, you can shape 3D models and printouts. If you're a model maker or handyman, you'll be interested in our extension for cutting plastics and foam materials. You can make a functional RC plane, a ship, a clock, or an amusing sponge for children.